All right, here we're supposed to determine if this represents a linear function. Well, that's kind of not really a linear. It's a bent line, but it's not going to be a linear function. So we can say, no, it's not linear. Now here we're supposed to determine if this table represents a linear function or could represent one. Now if it could, we're supposed to write it in the form y equals mx plus b. All right, so here we're going stepping by 1 on the x's, and here it looks like we're going up by 4 every time. And so I would say that this could be linear if it follows a thing, because if we look at this, what it looks like we're doing here, we have 0 minus 8, 1 minus 4, 2, 0, and 3, 4. And so that looks like if we assume everything in between follows, that could be a linear line. Now, we don't know. It could have gone up and down, but in that case, we don't know. But just with those points there, we could get a straight line there. Now, what is the easiest way to find a straight line? Well, the easiest way is find the slope, which is going to be, the change in y over the change in x. So I'm going to say let's start with this one and this one. So those are going to be our x1, x2, and y1, y2. Okay, so let's take this one. So say 4 minus a minus 8. And here we'll have 3 minus 0. So 4 plus 8 is going to be 12 over 3. So our slope is going to be 4. So m is equal to 4. Well, what's our b? Well, that's going to be where x is 0. Well, that's equal to what? Well, that's equal to a negative 8. So now we can say, well, y equals f of x equals our slope 4 times x minus 8. And so that's going to be our function in the form f of x or y equals mx plus b. Okay, again, assuming that everything in between follows the same path and format, that's what we're going to get for our answer. Okay, now could we have used two other points? Yeah, we could have taken here minus 4, minus 8, and then 1 minus 0, and that would have got the same thing because we've still got 4 on the top and 1 on the bottom, and that would have gave us that. This one here would have 2 minus 1 is 1. And this is going to be 0 minus minus 4 is 4. So 4 over 1 is going to be 4. And so it doesn't matter which one we do, we still get our slope is 4. And the smart way to get our intercept is using this one. And so that's going to give us the minus 8. All right, let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.